In today's volatile markets, pricing strategies often break down in execution, making it hard to see true profitability. Price lists are time-consuming to create and manage, while updates are often manual and prone to errors. Sales teams over-discount to move deals, and customers wait too long for quotes. That's why Conga price optimization and management helps pricing teams design, optimize, and execute price strategies across every channel from a single centralized platform, with speed, confidence, and control, ensuring field teams and customers are getting the right prices. Meet a global B2B distributor managing thousands of SKUs across regions, channels, and customer tiers. A pricing manager starts in Conga Price Management, where all global price lists, shared logic, formulas, and rules are centralized into a single governed system of record. From one place, they can update any inputs feeding their pricing methods, like costs tied to supplier changes and market indices. When conditions shift, prices are automatically recalculated across different price lists, while built-in multi-tier approvals ensure governance without slowing the business. The result? One governed system of record for pricing you can rely on. Next, activate Conga Price Optimization to improve deal performance. Pricing teams can select an AI model that fits their business needs and easily configure their analysis with a simplified step-by-step workflow. The neural network-based AI model for negotiated pricing, for example, analyzes a vast array of data, like historical transactions, aggregate account insights, demand signals, and market dynamics to recommend account-specific price ranges, expert, target, and floor for that particular deal. Pricing leaders can clearly see why a recommendation was made, including win rate probability and margin impact, building trust in every optimized price. The result? AI-powered prices, which are defensible, competitive, and winning for your sales and partner teams. When a sales rep opens a quote in CPQ, instead of guessing or over-discounting, they receive an optimal price point in real time, fully aligned with the current pricing strategy. At the same time, customers buying through e-commerce get accurate, market-aligned prices instantly, even when demand is high. And all this powered by Conga's real-time pricing engine. No inconsistencies, no delays. Consistent pricing logic everywhere. Back in the Insights section of Conga Price Management, pricing leaders can track performance with built-in analytics, monitoring margin realization, pricing exceptions, and revenue uplift from optimization. They can simulate the impact of changes in price strategies, push price updates at scale across price lists, and even generate customer-specific price books automatically, ensuring fast, consistent delivery across partners and digital channels. With the Insights capability integrated in Conga Price Management, pricing leaders track performance, uncover outliers, and scale pricing decisions across every channel. Conga Price Optimization and Management transforms pricing into a profitable growth engine, combining AI-driven intelligence, centralized governance, and real-time execution across every channel. And the impact is measurable. Customers using our pricing solutions see a 2 to 5% margin improvement, more than 8% revenue uplift from AI optimization, and a 67% increase in pricing efficiency, delivering a 400% return on investment with payback in under 9 months according to independent analyst research. Book a demo today to see how Conga helps you price with confidence, speed, and precision for every buying and selling scenario.